Second resource on the basis of origin is human resource, one of the most important resource. Human resource means human being. ओके इंसान, जो इंसान होते हैं उन्हीं को हम लोग कहते हैं ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. सो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स आर द मोस्ट essential resource of the world. It is their capability and skill which provide value to resources. Human resources include abilities, both physical and mental. Okay, here we will include both the abilities of the human being. Some are expert in physical work and some are expert in mental work. So both abilities are considered in resource. And numbers, that is quantity. The world has made a great effort to study of the development of human resource due to increase in competence and education. It is only human beings who are capable of transferring the available material into valuable resource. Okay, without the human support, other resources are of no use. For example, coal has been present in the earth, but it was made a resource when man developed the method of utilizing it for different purposes. Obviously, beta, without human resource, no resource can be used as a resource. So we can say human resource is the most important resource. What is man-made resource? As name suggests, resources that were made by the man are known as man-made resources. Example: buildings, machines, vehicles, synthetic material, etc. These form a part of man-made resources. Clear, beta? So these are the three types of resources on the basis of origin of the resources. Clear? Next classification is on the basis of renewability. Some resources can regenerate themselves, such as plants and animals, and some cannot, such as minerals. On the basis of this, or on this basis, the resources can be classified as renewable and non-renewable resources. So which resources are called renewable resources? So the renewable resources can be renewed or replenished in a relatively small time. That is, they can be used without endangering their future use. For example, trees are cut down and used for different purposes, but they can be grown, so they are renewable resource. Okay, beta? Clear? As name suggests, renewable means which does not finished completely. They can be renewed or they can be used again. Like when we cut a tree, it is not like that now it will not grow. It grows again. So we can say that tree is a renewable resource. Okay, but the only care has to be taken that the rate of their consumption should not exceed the rate of renewability. Okay, it means हम लोगों को इसका कंजम्पशन उतना ही करना चाहिए जितने समय में वो रिन्यूएबल हो सके. लाइक फॉर here we can say that the consumption rate should be less than renewability rate. Okay, second type is non-renewable resources. Some resources get exhausted after use, such as minerals. These are known as non-renewable resources. Means once this type of resources are used, then we cannot use the same for the next time. Okay, these are available on the earth in limited quantities, so care has to be exercised in their use. Okay, beta? As name suggests, non-renewable means which cannot be reused again. So we should use these resources very carefully, as we know that all resources are available in limited quantity. Clear beta? So these were two resources on the basis of renewability.